Hey guys, welcome to the corner. So today I got a box in the mail and it is from Kelly Workman. It's the journal I got in the giveaway that she had during her auction. I believe Curran had won this and then she donated it back to do for a giveaway to give it away during the auction, and I happened to win it, which was really shocking. So here we go. I did open the box, but I have it upside down so you can't see the addresses. So I'm just gonna pull it out here. Okay. Wrap it in a hat. There we go. There it is. It's purple. Very pretty. It's got a lace ribbon closure, butterfly on top. It's super pretty. Some flower trims down there. Rosette trim down the side, on the spine. On the back, it's very pretty. Right. So got a painted tag there. Says your story begins when you say it begins. A flip out envelope with some extra things inside here. Got some little girl printouts. All these look like they're for dominoes. Those are really pretty. And some of these. Very pretty. Push that back down so I can close that. Super pretty. The girls are really pretty on that. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Some painting paper. Collage paper. Oops. And this is a tuck spot right there. It's got some fairies images, it looks like there. Just gonna, yeah, and some journaling cards. Some lace on the pages. Looks like scrap papers. And the gem there. Silver foil looking doily there, that's pretty. Some line paper. Tag there. It looks like a cluster of papers stapled together. That's a really cute idea. Napkin collage on the side there. Little pocket envelope, a pocket with like a gift bag pocket type thing with a tag. In the back, you are simply wonderful. That trim is very pretty. I like that lace trim. Another pocket here. This is very pretty. I think Kelly made this, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to find out. It's really pretty. Pull out tag there. lined paper to journal on, another tag pocket, music paper there. Is that a pocket? Nope. Little side tuck pocket here. Tags. What is a journaling card like piece? Oh, that came undone. That's why it was sticking. Couldn't figure out why it was sticking to the tags. There we go. That's cute. I like that corner pocket. I do that in some of my journals. The corner pocket. Love that trim. It's super cute. I love that. Some more line paper. Oh, that's a pretty marbling effect paper. Another journaling cards there. Belly band with some journaling cards, it looks like here. Different types of journaling cards there. Just a couple of them. A paper clip with a flag on the end. With some more just extra pieces here with a pocket there. That's pretty trim too. I like the flower trim. That's pretty. Book pages. Oh, that's really pretty. That is cool how she did that. And my tag on the very back. Very pretty. It's super pretty. Thank you. Good job on making this. I believe Kelly made it. It's gorgeous. I don't remember. I'll have to go back. I'll have to ask her if she made this one or if it was donated to her from somebody. But it's very pretty. Very pretty. So thank you again. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. It's one of my quickest, I think. I'm busy making tassels and such. So I'll be busy today for a little while. So yeah, thank you. Hope to see you guys on my next live. Bye.